want to introduce to you Dr. Patricia Dixon, an expert in Hunter syndrome. Tell us a little bit about what it is.
So Hunter syndrome occurs generally in boys, and they're born without an enzyme. And you can't tell at birth. A boy with Hunter syndrome is really going to look pretty normal to you, and in fact, you might not suspect something is wrong for years. Sometime after the age of 1, you might notice your child doesn't grow well or doesn't develop skills at the proper rate. Maybe his joints are a little stiffer than they should be. Maybe he's constantly getting sick. And the pediatrician might detect a large liver and spleen. And that's the way that lucky families get the diagnosis, because a lot of families, it takes years and years of going around and around the medical carousel trying to get that answer. These families, they know there's something wrong, and you just have to be persistent and advocate for your child to try to get that diagnosis. Again, most kids aren't going to have Hunter syndrome, but you need to be able to tell when something's really wrong.
And I love that the two of you are bringing this message of hope, and I know that you want Case's story to inspire hope and hopefully solutions.
Yes, absolutely. So we started raising money and funding gene therapy, which is really the cure for genetic diseases like these. And we're getting ready to hopefully start a clinical trial if we can fund it.
Wow. And you actually have an organization. Tell us about that.
Yes, so we founded and I run an organization called Project Alive. And that came from the fact that kids want to be a lot of things when they grow up. They want to be a doctor or a teacher or a lawyer. I wanted to be a lawyer. And kids with Hunter syndrome just want to be alive when they grow up. And we're in a fundraise for $2.5 million to fund a gene therapy clinical trial. And we've raised $500,000 so far, but still a ways to go.
Yeah.
Wow.
I would say proud of you and kudos to you, and you have a surprise for your foundation. Take a look.
Hello, Case and the Hogan family. We at Cosmetic Care heard and read about your story, and it would be our honor and pleasure to donate $2,500 towards Project Alive. We all wish you the best.
Hello, Hogan family, and I'm happy to donate $2,500 to Project Alive. We wish you guys the best, and we hope this is one step closer to finding the cure.
And you know what? We are blessed because Case happens to be here. You all want to meet him? I know I do. Case, come on out, buddy.
I was doing it up there. I was looking at you out there. I was looking up there. I was looking at you out there. You were looking at me.
How are you, Case?
Hi.
Say, I'm good.
I heard. So Case, I heard you're a big basketball fan. I know you play every day, so we actually have a. So Case, I want you to look up there, okay? We have a big surprise. Some stars that you may know who play basketball. They have a message for you.
Ready?
Hey, Case. Case, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, Case?
What up, Case?
Hey, Case, what's up, man? We're big fans of you over here. Keep fighting, keep being an inspiration. We hope to see you at a game very, very soon. So as soon as you're ready, let us know, and you'll be on the court with us.
I know you're a big fan. Just wanted to say keep fighting. We're here to support you and show as much love as we can.
We've been thinking about you. We want you to keep fighting.
You're in our prayers, and just keep going.
We know you're a basketball fan. We just wanted to show you a little bit of support, too.
You can do anything you want. You know, I made it to the NBA, and I'm here. Hopefully one day I can be as lucky as you, being on stage with a former Bachelor and all, and you got a fan in Donovan Mitchell, man. Keep fighting. I'm proud of you.
Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting.
Keep fighting, keep fighting.
Keep fighting.
Keep fighting, man. We believe in you. We're here for you.
Hopefully one day when you feel a lot better, you can come to the Suns game and be my personal guest, man. So keep going. You'll be in my prayers, man.
Our teammates and I have heard some great things about you, and we'd like to invite you and your family to a Hawks game this season at Phillips Arena.
I hear you're a huge NBA fan. Number one, I want you to keep battling. And also, you have an open invitation to come to our show in Atlanta.
I'm going to be on TV. Yes, you are.
I have to give huge props to all the NBA players and former players. Thank you so much for that. And Case, one more thing, okay, buddy? So we reached out to our friends at the NBA, okay? So they want you to have a ton of awesome gear. So check this out. We've got a signed jersey for you from Kevin Durant, Blake Griffin, Andre Drummond, and even more. And the NBA is going to give you $800 so you can spend on gear at the NBAstore.com. What do you think?